Hello students, today we're going to learn section 5.5, Inequalities in Triangles. If angle A is the largest angle, then side A is the longest side. If angle C is the smallest angle, then side C is the shortest side. So here is angle A. So what they're stating is if angle A is the largest, its opposite side, we'll call it lowercase a, is going to be the longest side. Largest angle, longest side. Smallest angle, shortest side. And we can now conclude that angle B is between angle A and B. Therefore, side B is between lengths A and C. So let's do an example. Example 1, list the sides in order from shortest to longest. Well, we know that in a triangle, the sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degrees. So if this is 100, angle Y must be 80. So they want the order from the shortest to longest, the side. So find the smallest angle. Well, angle X is the smallest angle. After angle X, it's angle Z. And the largest angle is angle Y. Now the reason why I wanted to write the angles first in order from smallest to largest, again 40, 60, 80, 40, 60, 80, is because their opposite sides will be in the same order. So opposite angle X is, we don't have a lowercase x here, but we can describe it as YZ. So YZ, next angle is Z, opposite angle Z is XY, and angle Y is the largest angle, opposite angle Y is side XZ. So there is our sides in order from shortest to longest. Now in example 2, they're asking us to list the angles from largest to smallest. So largest to smallest angles. Well, let's first take a look at which is the longest side. Well, this is the longest side. So we know that AG is the longest side. After AG it's AV, and after AV it's GV. Well, they want us to list the angles from large to smallest. We just listed the sides. So now let's list the angles. So now the angles are going to be, let's see, AG. Opposite AG is angle V. Opposite side AV is angle G. And the last one is angle A. That's the shortest side, smallest angle. So these were the angles. Again, these were the sides, and these were the angles. So again, the largest angle corresponds to the longest side. All right. One of the properties of a triangle is, in order for 3 side lengths to make a triangle, the sum of 2 sides must be greater than the third side. Again, in order for three side lengths to make a triangle, the sum of two sides must be greater than the third side. And there are three combinations. All three combinations must be satisfied in order to determine whether three sides make a triangle. Alright, so it says determine if the following side lengths make a triangle. So let's check. Okay. So here are the three lengths. We have to determine if this can make a triangle. So we're going to take the sum of the two sides and compare it to the third. So 3 plus 7, greater than 8? Yes. 7 plus 8, greater than 3? Yes. And 3 plus 8, is it greater than 7? Yes. So if all three combinations are satisfied, then we can conclude that 3, 7, 8 make a triangle. Let's try number 2. Example 4. So 3 cm, 6 cm, 10 centimeters. So 3 plus 6, is that greater than 10? False. I just checked the other two. They are both true. So since this is false, again, in order for 3, 6, 10 to create a triangle, we have to check all three combinations. One combination was false. Therefore, 3, 6, 10 do not make a triangle. Okay. Next example. Given two sides of a triangle, find the range of the third side. So we're trying to figure out what the third side could be. So now we have 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter. What can that third side be? What you're going to do is you're going to take the difference of the two segments that were given, and you're going to take the sum. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 10 plus 8 is 18. Therefore, the third side must be between 2 centimeters and 18 centimeters. Now, in order to write that, you will just say this. X is greater than 2 cm and less than 18 cm. So any numbers between 2 and 18 will satisfy this condition. We can test one. Let's say 5. If I put 5 here, 5 plus 8, 13, greater than 10. 8 plus 10, 18, greater than 5. And 8 plus 5, 13, greater than 10. So again, you could test any values between 2 centimeters and 18 centimeters. If you put 2 centimeters here, it's not going to hold true because 8 plus 2 is 10 and 10 is not greater than 10. So that's why there are no equal signs here. Alright, example 6. We have 3 inch, 12 inch. Again, take the difference between the two and then take the sum. So 12 minus 3 is 9, 12 plus 3 is 15. Therefore, the third side must be between 9 inch and 15 inch. That's it for today. Thank you.